Hello everyone, welcome to our exclusive English and educational updates, and in this short video we will be exploring how to download SSC 10th class public examinations hall tickets step by step process. So step number 1, please go to www.bsc.ap.gov.in as I show on the screen. Click on this website and here you can see the highlighted headline SSC Public Examination 2025 Hall Tickets. Click on this button, then it will show these important headings such as regular hall tickets, private hall tickets, OSSC private and vocational. So if you are a regular student who is appearing 10th class examination, please click on this regular hall tickets download and it will ask for the following details such as name of the district. Here as an example I am selecting Anantapuram, and here name of the school. You can select your respective school from the drop down menu. Now as an example I will show 25509. Now you have to select the name of the school. Which I show here. Then select the name of the student, Boya Pallavi as an example. Boya Pallavi, can you tell me the date of birth? Date 30th, and month November 2000. So here you have to select as I show on the screen, then it will download the hall tickets with the details of the candidates, moles. Please check all the details whether they have been correctly entered or not, and you can here see the print this hall ticket option. Click on this print option and it will show the PDF format. Then accordingly you can print the hall ticket and get it signed by the respective headmaster. So in this way we can download the hall tickets of the SSC public examinations. So we wish you all the best for your public examination. Do take care. Jai Hind.